In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best soldering iron on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. GVDA GD300 Soldering Iron. The GVDA GD300 soldering iron is a versatile tool for both professional and hobbyist electronics enthusiasts. Originating from mainland China, it features a sleek and compact design with dimensions of 1,111,715 mm and a 37-gram weight. It has an output power of 65 W, supports a wide input voltage range from 5 to 20 V, and excels in temperature control, offering a range from 80 degrees centigrade to 420 degrees centigrade for precision and soldering tasks. The interface is USB Type-C, allowing for fast charging, and features a 0.87 OLED screen with a resolution of 128:32 pixels for easy monitoring. The soldering iron is certified by CFCC and RoHS, ensuring high safety and environmental standards. The user-friendly soldering iron is available in both English and Chinese, and its compact size of 171 mm makes it functional and user-friendly. Number 4. PINE64 Soldering Iron. The PINE64 soldering iron, also known as the Pinisol V1, is a versatile tool for both amateur and professional electronics enthusiasts. It features smart device integration, making it user-friendly for both professionals and beginners. Made in mainland China, the Pinisol V1 has a compact dimensions, offering a wide output power range of 36 to 60 W and an input voltage range of 12 V 21 volts. It also offers temperature control and stability with an output temperature range of 450 degrees centigrade, allowing precision in working with various materials and components. The Pinisol V1 meets high safety and environmental regulations with CFCC and RoHS certifications, ensuring compliance and peace of mind for users. Number 3. FNIRSI HS02 Soldering Iron. The FNIRSI HS02 soldering iron is a versatile tool suitable for both amateurs and professionals. It offers a maximum output power of 100 W and operates within a 9 to 20 V input voltage range. It also features advanced temperature control with a range of 100 to 450, allowing precise adjustments for various tasks. The iron is lightweight, weighing just 61 grams, making it ideal for workshops or on-the-go repairs. Its Type-C interface supports fast charging protocols like PD and QC, minimizing downtime during intensive soldering sessions. The iron is also certified with C and WIA, ensuring compliance with international safety and environmental standards. Number 2. Secure S99 Soldering Iron. The Secure S99 soldering iron is a compact and versatile tool for soldering tasks. It has a mini form factor delivering a maximum power output of 150 W and an adjustable temperature range of 50 to 500 W. It also offers plus or minus 1% temperature stability, ensuring consistent performance. The soldering iron is compatible with JBC 245 solder tips, renowned for their durability and performance. It is certified with C and FCC standards, ensuring safety and reliability. The Secure S99 is user-friendly, supporting both Russian and English language settings, catering to a diverse user base and enhancing usability across different regions. Its plus or minus 1% temperature stability ensures reliable solder joints. The iron is also certified with C and FCC standards. Number 1. Iliantech T80 Soldering Iron. The Iliantech T80 soldering iron is a versatile tool for both professional and hobbyist use. Manufactured in mainland China, it offers high power output of 18 W to 100 W, allowing for efficient soldering on various tasks. It also provides precise temperature control with a range of 80 degrees centigrade to 450 degrees centigrade, ensuring consistent and high-quality solder joints. The compact 175 mm length and 4.5 mm diameter make it ideal for intricate soldering jobs. The Iliantech T80 is certified by C and FCC, ensuring its safety and reliability. It is compatible with a 220 V power supply, making it suitable for regions with this voltage standard. The user-friendly design makes it accessible to users of all skill levels, making it an effective and efficient choice for soldering tasks. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.